everybody, Amber with Healthymale. And today I am going to take you through our 38-week pregnancy workout video at home. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to just simply use a coffee table or a stable surface, some socks, and your own body weight, which now might have added some since we're almost towards the end of the pregnancy, and we can get an effective, quick, and easy workout from home. There's never any excuse to not get up and move. I know sometimes you might not feel like it, especially in your 9 month of pregnancy, but you need to make sure you stay active and you stay healthy throughout the entire duration of your pregnancy. It'll help things such as blood flow to the baby. It'll help to keep diabetes, gestational diabetes, at bay. It will help with blood pressure, stress, and any kind of discomfort, fatigue, or pain that you're feeling. Sometimes simply just getting up and going for a walk is good enough. But today, follow along with me for a quick and easy workout that you can do at home at 38 weeks pregnant. Okay, let's get started. For our first exercise on our stable surface or our coffee table, we are going to start with some dips. Everything today is going to be for 12 repetitions, and we are going to do 5 rounds, 5 exercises. So the first exercise is going to be table dips. So using your coffee table or your stable surface. And remember, you can spread those feet, make room for that baby bump. Now we're going to stand up, turn around. We're going to use the table for our hands, and we are going to do sliding mountain climbers. So since it's just 12 reps total, we're going to do 6 on each side. Six and 6. Nice job. Staying in our plank position, holding our baby belly in tight. We're going to slide out to the side now. 6 on each side. We'll call this a plank hip abduction. 6. Very good. Standing up now, we are going to do a sliding sock back lunge. 6 on each leg. And switch. Try to get down as low as comfortable. Very good. And the last one we're going to do is going to be a slide in, slide out, push up. So it's going to look like this. We're going to pull the knees in, press the feet out, push up. We're only going to do 6 of these total. Very good. Let's flip over, start at the top. 12 dips. Flip over, and we're going to do 12 mountain climbers. Sliding mountain climbers. 12. Then sliding hip abductions. We're holding that baby belly in tight. 6 on each side. Good. Standing up, moving into those sliding, back stepping lunges. Good, and switch. Six, awesome. And then the last one is the 2 knee in, 2 legs out, push up. So those sliding push-ups. And remember, we only do 6 of these. Woo. And 6. 2 rounds down, 3 to go. Here we go. Flip over, mountain climbers. Twelve of those total. Moving into that plank, sliding abduction. Nice job. Standing up, back stepping lunge, or sock sliding lunge. And switch. Six. And those 6 push-ups. Slide the knees in, slide the knees out. And 6. All right, flip it over for round 4. Take a break if you need to. Get a drink. We have 2 more rounds to go. Perfect. Flip it over. Six. Nice. Sock sliding lunge. Perfect. Great, and those push-ups. My socks don't slide very easily, but if that's the case, you can always get a towel and put it under your feet as well. Little washcloth or a hand towel. Six. This is our last round. Let's catch our breath. Get ready. And go. Make sure you're not holding your breath at all through any of the exercises. Continuously breathe through all of the movements. And 12, then those abductions. And switch. 6. Good. And those back sliding lunges. 6. Great. Last one, push-ups. There you have it, everybody. That was your 38-week pregnancy workout. If you've been following these workouts the whole time, you can notice how maybe your stamina has decreased. You get out of breath a little more easily, as you can tell. And you're sweating a little more often or sooner than you had before. Don't worry, this is also common. We're growing another human. We're getting ready to give birth. But you guys have been doing great following along this entire pregnancy. I wish everybody the best of luck. If I don't see you here for the pregnancy 39-week workout, it's because you gave birth. Congratulations. Otherwise, join us next week and we'll get another one in. Amber for Healthy Male.